So now let's see how we can work around with keyframe spatial interpolation inside of HitFilm. So to do that, I'm going to go around and select out this particular plane object right here. And then I'm going to go around and add in a position keyframe to this. So I added in a keyframe right here. Then I'm going to go around and add in one right here, one right here, and one right here. And you can see that it creates out a curve right here in animation. But not always you want some curves. So what you may want to do is you may want to go around and use out spatial interpolation. So to do that, you need to go around and select out these keyframes here just like this, and then right click, and then you need to go around under spatial interpolation where you have linear, auto Bezier, and manual Bezier as an option, as you can see right here. Right now it's an auto Bezier and you can see that Bezier has been created. But what you can do is create it out as linear as well so that it goes straight ahead from side to side in zigzag mode, as you can see, and there's no curves whatsoever. So let me just go around and select just these first three keyframes right here and right click and then go to spatial interpolation and choose auto Bezier. Once you do that, you can see that these three keyframes turn into auto Bezier and you start seeing the Beziers that you can control right here. But for the end one, you don't have the Bezier right here. That is because we turned it off for it. You can go around and select out these two Beziers and select manual Beziers as well. Once you go around and select manual, what happens is that you can see that you can go around and control it out manually over here just like this. So that is what you have right here. Auto Bezier is when everything is auto right here, as you can see, but manual is when everything is manual. So you can go around over here and select auto Bezier and you automatically get this, and manual you have more control over it right here. Then again, you can go around and select out, let's say for example, auto Bezier, so that everything becomes auto. Then you can control it out manually and then it becomes like manual Bezier over here as well. So that is what you have, as you can see. So that is how you can work around with keyframe spatial interpolation inside of HitFilm. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe